Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Prashanti and you're watching Cook with Prashanti. Today's recipe is palak paneer parantha. Before getting into the recipe, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video and find it informative, please share with your friends as well. First, we need to boil some water in a vessel and blanch 10 to 15 small palak or spinach leaves and remove it from the boiling water after 5 minutes and squeeze the water and make it into a fine paste in a mixer jar by adding some water. Later, you need to sift 1.5 cup of wheat flour and half cup of maida or all-purpose flour in a parantha or a mixing bowl. To this, add the puree which we made from the spinach leaves and some salt to taste and mix it into a dough with the help of some water and let it rest for good half an hour by keeping it aside. After that, if you want, you can add 1 spoon of sesame seeds. It is completely optional and set it aside for half an hour. While it is resting, we will make the stuffing or the filling. For that, you need to grate 150 grams of paneer or cottage cheese. To that, add 1.5 spoon of chaat masala, 3 finely chopped green chilies, salt to taste, half spoon coriander or cilantro leaves, 1 small onion sliced and chopped into small pieces, and give it a good mix and make balls out of it so that later we can stuff in the dough balls for making parantha. Now take a dough ball and give a good round ball shape and press little at the center and start giving it a cup shape by pushing the center to side, and later at the edges you need to thin the dough and keep the stuffing ball or paneer stuffing ball in between and bring the edges to the top by closing the stuffing and making it into a ball. Later give it a tikki shape and keep them aside. Make all the balls the same way. I will show you one more time. First you need to take the ball, press slightly in the center and start pushing and giving it a cup shape so that our stuffing would sit halfway, and slowly press the edges by thinning them a little and giving it a cup shape. Now you need to stuff with the paneer stuffing and slowly push the edges to the center and give a tikki shape later by pressing it in the center and they are ready for rolling into paranthas or the rotis. Now dust some flour on the rolling board and as usual how we do for chapatis or rotis, roll them carefully and now heat a tawa or frying pan. Now place the parantha over it and add some oil to the edges and to the surface of the parantha, top surface of the parantha, and let it cook for good 30 seconds. And as you can see, fry the parantha with the help of oil or ghee. It totally up to you. Now your paranthas are ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel Cook with Prashanti. See you next time. Bye.